Hello, my name is Carolyn Forster and today I'm going to show you how to make a really super simple pincushion out of 2 squares of fabric. The squares of fabric can be absolutely any size, but they need to be the same size squares of fabric. That's the only sort of important thing to think about. These 2 squares of fabric today, they are 8.5 inches finished, 8.5 inches cut. Now the layering up, it's slightly off kilter. You're going to be overlapping, you've got them right sides together, it's the right side of my linen. And you're going to, you can see here, we've got the little snip that is our halfway point. These are nice quick projects, they're great for gift giving, they're great for fundraising, bazaar sales, that sort of thing. I mean, as you can see, I've used up spare blocks on mine.